Hi, my name is Hiyasha. Today I will come up with a new video. It is very interesting. This COVID-19 and lockdown, I have bored and fed up at home. So I like creativity and interesting things. So today I will do cool fridge magnets, molds and painting. Now we can open it. It is very interesting. You can also do at home if you want to. This is the instruction paper. I have already read it. This is the molds. We have to do this molds. You can use any molds. You can use the sand toys, chocolate molds and etc. This is the plaster of Paris. This is the main thing in the mold. This is colorful color. These are the magnets. And these are the brushes. I am very happy for this. Let's start the process. Let's start the mixing of plaster of Paris. The first thing is, don't put more water. If the paste will be, then the paste will be get thin. So put only little water. See the plaster of Paris, then put the water. And if you have any doubt, you can ask your parents to help you. And the most thing, you can wash the utensils earlier if all the plaster of Paris will stick on it. Let's start the process. See, my paste is ready. It is so smooth. Now I am putting it in the molds. See, I have put the paste inside the mold. So I will now, to straighten it, I will vibrate the plate. Now let it get dried. After 2 minutes, put the magnets. See, the main thing in the magnets, the round part should come down and the plain surface should come up. I see how I am putting it. After 15 to 20 minutes, when the mold is set, I will remove it and color it. My 15 minutes are done. Now I want to color. I am very excited to color because I love coloring. I have done these molds for the reference. 2 is pending to do it with you. Now I'll take water. Take little only water so it be thick. I have colored the purse, so let's start the heart because we all are sweetheart. Let's start. My heart coloring is done. Now I will show how it looks on the fridge. Butterfly, castle, lollipop, my colorful bag, scary dog, I don't like dogs, my pair of shoes, my makeup, my fairy stick, I am a fairy. I am this ice cream, crown, rainbow, and heart. Let us go. Hi, I am sticking my magnets. Like and subscribe my video. I hope you like my video. Subscribe my channel. Thank you so much to see my video.